Oh, hey. We're out here, you know what we do, wings. We're at the bird's nest here in Lincoln Park, Chicago. Let's see how the bird nest. Oh, he's working. Let's see how the bird's nest does, shall we? As always. Yeah. All right. It's like your local dive bar style, I think. We're gonna find out. Ooh, look at those. Definitely not all flaps.
I'm gonna take my dip now. You're in for a real treat.
All right.
Whoa, that's weird.
What's that? Different?
Gotta find out.
All right, definitely not all flaps. Let's see if we can even find a flap in here, my guy. There's one right there. Maybe. All stuck together. Okay, let's get the shot. There's the shot. So, pretty sure they don't have what they call a traditional buffalo. They just have their hot wings. So I'm just gonna say this is their traditional buffalo. It's a little sweeter than I'd, prefer, but
How's it crunch?
not a whole lot of crunch, but it could be the packaging. Let me get in on another one. Let's try this one. This one's pretty saucy. Get a shot of that. Check that. Crunch, they're gonna get a 6.3, okay? 6.3.
What do you think overall?
Overall, they're gonna get a 6.4.
6.4, that's it?
6.4 for the bird's nest, Chicago, Illinois,
Okay.
Lincoln Park.
That's a review.
That's a review.